1997, a sound echoed across the Pacific. Louder than any known creature. Was it a colossal sea monster? A leviathan? For years, its origin remained a mystery. But the truth was even more powerful. The Bloop wasn't a beast, but the Earth itself. Created by colossal icequakes. But the deep ocean hides even greater forces. Underwater volcanoes shape the seafloor, creating extreme environments where pressure, heat, and mystery collide. Our oceans are alive, powerful, and unexplored. What other deep-sea mysteries fascinate you? Subscribe to The Submerged World.